Most people drink coffee every morning the wrong way. They wake up tired, pour the same cup, add sugar, cream, syrup, maybe even whipped cream, and then 2 hours later, they wonder why they feel tired again. But what if coffee is not the real problem? What if the problem is what you keep adding to it? Today, I'm going to show you a simple coffee upgrade using one tiny ingredient that may already be in your kitchen: 1 clove. That small brown spice most people only use during holidays may completely change how your morning coffee feels. Not because it is magic, not because it melts fat, not because it cures disease, and not because it replaces medicine, exercise, healthy food, or medical advice, but because clove contains a natural compound called eugenol, and coffee contains plant compounds like caffeine and chlorogenic acids. When you combine them the right way, you create a warmer, sharper, cleaner morning drink. And within about 10 minutes, many people notice something different. The smell becomes deeper, the taste becomes stronger, the cup feels warmer, cleaner, and more satisfying. But here is the part most people miss. The real change is not inside your liver, your blood sugar, or your fat cells in 10 minutes. The real change is in your taste, your craving, and your morning habit. Because when your coffee tastes better naturally, you may not need as much sugar, syrup, or heavy cream. And that is where this tiny clove becomes powerful, but only if you use it correctly. Because the biggest mistake happens before the clove even touches the coffee. In this video, I'll show you what really happens when you add 1 clove to coffee, how to prepare it properly, the mistakes that ruin it, and who should avoid this routine unless they speak to a healthcare professional first. So before you make your next cup of coffee, watch this until the end, because 1 clove can change the way your morning starts.
Why coffee is not just caffeine. Most people think coffee is just caffeine. That is the first mistake. Caffeine is the part you feel. It wakes you up. It helps you focus. It gives you that familiar morning push. But coffee is more than caffeine. Coffee also contains natural plant compounds called polyphenols. One important group is chlorogenic acids, which are part of the reason black coffee has been studied for its antioxidant activity and possible role in metabolic health. In simple words, coffee is not just a stimulant. It is a plant-based drink. But most people ruin it before they even take the first sip. They take a naturally bold drink and load it with sugar, flavored syrups, whipped cream, sweet creamers, and dessert toppings. At that point, they're not really drinking clean coffee anymore. They're drinking dessert with coffee flavor. And that matters, because a sugar-heavy coffee can give you a fast energy rise followed by a crash that makes you tired, foggy, and hungry again. So when people say coffee makes me crash, sometimes coffee is not the real problem. The problem is the sugar sitting inside the cup. Now this is where clove comes in. Clove is tiny but extremely powerful in flavor. Its strong aroma comes mostly from eugenol, the main natural compound found in clove oil. Eugenol gives clove that warm, spicy, slightly numbing taste. It's also one reason clove has been studied for antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. But here's the important part. You do not need clove oil. You do not need capsules. You do not need extracts. For this routine, you only need 1 whole dried clove. Just 1. Because the goal is not to overpower your coffee. The goal is to upgrade it. 1 clove can change the aroma, the taste, and the experience of your coffee without turning it bitter or harsh. And that's why this routine works so well. It's simple, it's cheap, it's easy, and it helps turn your normal coffee into a more intentional morning habit. But now comes the question everyone wants answered. What actually happens 10 minutes later?
What may happen 10 minutes later? Here is where we need to be honest. You are not going to reverse disease in 10 minutes. You are not going to detox your whole body in 10 minutes. You are not going to melt belly fat, cure diabetes, repair joints, or cleanse your liver in 10 minutes. Anyone who tells you that is exaggerating.
But something real can happen, and it starts before the coffee even reaches your stomach. The first change is sensory. The moment Clove touches hot coffee, it releases a warm, spicy aroma. That aroma changes the experience immediately. Coffee no longer smells flat or bitter. It smells deeper, warmer, more intense, more comforting. And this matters because smell and taste are connected to satisfaction. A plain, bitter coffee may feel harsh, but coffee with one properly infused clove can feel smoother, richer, and more complete. The second change is your craving. This is the real 10-minute payoff. When your coffee has more natural flavor, you may not feel the same need to add sugar, syrup, or sweet creamer. That means Clove is not powerful because it performs a miracle inside your body. It is powerful because it may help you change the habit around your coffee. Instead of needing sweetness, you get flavor. Instead of drinking dessert, you drink coffee. Instead of chasing a caffeine blast, you start the morning with something cleaner and more deliberate. The third change is the normal caffeine effect. After you drink coffee, caffeine begins to absorb into your bloodstream. For some people, the effect starts fairly quickly. For others, it takes longer. But around 10 minutes later, many people begin to feel the early signs of alertness. The mind feels a little more awake. The body feels a little more ready. The morning feels like it has started. But here is the key point. The Clove is not replacing caffeine. The Clove is changing the experience of the caffeine. It makes the cup feel warmer, more satisfying, less like a random energy hit, more like a morning ritual. That is the shocking part. Not that one clove is a miracle cure, but that one tiny spice can make your normal coffee feel completely different. And when the coffee feels different, the habit can become different. That's where the real benefit begins. The real reason this combination works. Now here is the real reason Clove coffee can feel so powerful. It is not because one clove performs a miracle inside your body. It is because one clove can change what your brain expects from coffee. Most people do not actually crave coffee alone. They crave the version of coffee they have trained themselves to enjoy. Sweet coffee, creamy coffee, caramel coffee, vanilla coffee, coffee that tastes more like dessert than a morning drink. And the more often you drink coffee that way, the more your taste buds expect sweetness every morning. That is why black coffee can taste too bitter for many people at first. It is not always because the coffee is bad. It is because your tongue is used to sugar. This is where Clove becomes useful. Clove has a strong natural aroma. It gives coffee warmth, depth, spice, a slightly sweet impression without actually adding sugar. So instead of your brain only getting pleasure from sweetness, it starts getting satisfaction from flavor. That is a big difference, because when your coffee has more natural flavor, you may not need to add as much sugar. And when you remove some of the sugar, the entire morning routine changes. You are no longer starting your day with a dessert drink. You are starting with something simpler, cleaner, more controlled, more intentional. And this matters because sugar-heavy coffee can create a pattern. First, it tastes good. Then your energy rises quickly. Then your energy drops. Then you want another sweet drink or snack. And before the day has even started, your cravings are already leading the routine. Clove coffee interrupts that pattern, not by forcing you to quit everything overnight, but by giving your coffee enough flavor that reducing sugar becomes easier. That's the practical mechanism. More aroma, more satisfaction, less need for sweetness, and less sugar in the cup can mean a cleaner start to the morning. This is why the routine works best when you drink it plain first. No syrup, no whipped cream, no flavored creamer, just coffee and one lightly crushed clove. Let your taste buds notice the warmth. Let the aroma replace some of the sweetness you normally look for. Let the cup feel complete without turning it into dessert. That is the real power of this combination. Not a cure, not a detox, not a medical treatment, a habit reset. Because once your morning coffee becomes less sweet, one better choice can lead to another. A cleaner coffee can lead to a cleaner breakfast. A cleaner breakfast can lead to steadier energy, and steadier energy can make better choices easier throughout the day. So the goal is not just to add clove, the goal is to retrain your morning routine. One clove, one cup, one small reset. If this video helped you, share it with someone who drinks coffee every morning but still feels tired, foggy, or dependent on sugar. Because sometimes the simplest ideas are the ones people overlook the longest.